Start by fixing the jamb that will take the door hinges first. Mark out the first fixing points 100mm up from the bottom and then at 450mm intervals. Use 2 fixings at each fixing interval if you're fixing to a stud wall. Each fixing needs to be approximately 30 to 35mm from the edge of the jamb. If you're fitting to a block or brick wall, each fixing should be about 1/3 in from the outside edge and in a staggered formation like this. This will stop the bricks from splitting as you drill into them. Then drill the screw clearance holes at each fixing point. If you have a hardwood frame, you may need to countersink each hole ready to accommodate the screw head. Now line up the face of the jamb with the wall surface on each side and use a spirit level to check that it's plumb. We're fixing into a timber stud opening, so we can fix straight into the timber. If this was a masonry wall, we'd need to mark up and drill fixing holes using a masonry drill bit and insert wall plugs at this stage. 100mm fixing screws are normally used to fix the jambs. Insert each fixing screw and tighten it until the head is just flush with the face of the jamb. Then use an 1800mm spirit level against the inside face of the jamb to check that it's plumb and to check that there are no gaps between the face of the jamb and the spirit level. If you don't have a long spirit level, tape a shorter level to an 1800mm long straight edge and use this instead. Adjust each fixing screw and insert packing pieces as necessary until the face of the jamb is plumb, and so there are no gaps between the face of the jamb and the spirit level. Now use a shorter spirit level to check that the head section is level. It should be because of the diagonal brace that you fitted earlier. Then fix the other jamb using the same process. Check that both jambs are plumb and that the head section is level. Now the braces can be removed. The door can now be hung, and then the architrave and door stops can be fitted, ready for decoration.